Continuing with cricket, as Jamaica withstood a spirited reply from Barbados to capture the Cricket West Indies Regional Women's T20 title with a nail-biting 5-run win at Sabina Park today. Renata Brown was there.
A defeat to Trinidad and Tobago on Saturday night meant it was a winner-take-all affair between the unbeaten Barbados and the host Jamaica. Stephanie Taylor was fit enough to play and was expected to lead the Jamaican batting charge. But it was Natasha McLean who led the way, scoring 42 in the team's total of 108 for 5 from their 20 overs. Skipper Taylor was next best with 38, as Deandra Doughton claimed 2 for 19 and Shakira Selman 2 for 24. Chasing 109 to win the match and the tournament, the Bajans carried the game to the final over, but still came up short at 104 all out. Hayley Matthews, who was expected to lead the way, top scored with 30, while captain Shakira Selman, who was the 8th wicket to go, made 15. Brashana Ottar took 3 for 16 for the Jamaicans, while Carla Cohen added 2 for 20. With the Bajans needing 8 runs from the final over, Captain Stephanie Taylor explained what the game plan was after a lengthy team meeting.
I just said to her that, just bowl slow and straight, because I pretty much know most of their batters, and I figured more likely bowling straight would have get the job done. So I thought she bowled really well in that last over.
Meanwhile, coach Glenn Smith says he was proud of the way his team defended the total.
We know it was always going to be tight. The pitch was very, very slow, and if we struggled to make 108 on this, then once we bowl in the right area, then Barbados is going to struggle, because we had a big partnership with McLean and our skipper Taylor, right? And they could not score higher than 108. So it was always going to be hard for Barbados to make it once we bowl in the right areas.
Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.